In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture and save a starry sky photo with SkyView on your iPhone. We'll keep it simple and make sure you get a clear, shareable image with the app's beautiful overlays. First, open the SkyView app on your iPhone. As soon as it launches, you'll see an augmented view of the sky with constellations, stars, and labels layered over what your camera sees. This is the view you're going to capture. Next, point your phone at the part of the sky you want to photograph. Move slowly and give the app a moment to align the overlays with the stars. Try to hold your phone steady and frame the area you want in the center of the screen. If you're aiming for a specific constellation or planet, gently pan until it's clearly visible. Even if the stars aren't bright due to city lights, the overlays will still mark their positions, which makes for a striking image. When you're happy with what you see, look to the top left of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This opens the app's toolbar, which gives you quick access to tools you'll use to capture the scene. You don't need to adjust anything else here. Just bring the toolbar up so you can take the shot. Now tap the camera icon. This tells SkyView to grab exactly what's on your screen, the live sky with all the constellation lines, labels, and markers visible at that moment. Keep your phone as still as you can while the app captures the image, so the overlays remain crisp and aligned. Right after the capture, a menu will appear. Tap Save Image. This saves your photo directly to your iPhone, so you can find it later in your Photos app. The saved image includes the sky and the overlays just as you saw them, making it perfect for sharing, labeling what you spotted, or starting a collection of your favorite night sky views. That's all there is to it. Open SkyView, point at the sky you want, bring up the toolbar with the three lines, tap the camera icon, and then tap Save Image when the menu appears. If you take a moment to frame your shot and keep your hand steady, you'll get clean, informative photos that capture both the beauty of the night sky and the context of what you're looking at. Enjoy exploring and have fun building your gallery of star-filled images.